Open the Xhorse app, device information, machine calibration, height level adjustment of color. Install and tighten the clamp M1. Do not put any key on the clamp. Turn the cutter tightening wrench to fix the cutter and the probe. As shown in the picture of the app. Click on Continue in the Xhorse app to the step of height level adjustment. Unscrew the probe tightening wrench. Adjust it to the same level as the cutter. Then, turn the tightening wrench to fix the probe. Click on Continue. Adjustment finished. Clamp calibration. Clamp M1. Put an HU101 key blank on the clamp M1, then turn the key tightening knob to fix it. Click on Continue. Calibration finished. Clamp calibration, clamp M2. Install clamp M2. No key on the clamp and rotate side upward. Rotate side B upward. Click on Continue. Calibration finished. Rotate side C upward. Click on Continue. Calibration finished. Rotate side D upward. Click on Continue. Calibration finished. Rotate side A upward. Put an original key on the clamp M2 and tighten it. Key duplication. Single track external. Top align. Clamp M2A. Key learning. After one side of key learning, uninstall the original key and install a new key. Key cutting continues. Key cutting finished. Uninstall the new key and install the original key. On the side upward. Key learning. Key learning finished. Uninstall the original key and install the new key. On cut side upward. Key cutting continues. Key cutting finished. Uninstall the new key and verify it in your car.